Hello, everyone. I'm a designer and art director. I work here.
That's actually his desk. He got the privilege that he didn't move his desk. That's where he sits.
Hi everyone, I'm a digital project manager at Reflektor Digital. I basically told everyone here that they need to be here for the team and for this first meetup, and we hope that everyone enjoys the experience.
Cool.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. I'm a creative developer here. I will try to present you what is the creative development and enjoy it.
Cool.
Oh,
I did it myself.
Okay, I'm Giovanni. I'm one of the interns. Well, no, the only intern. But yeah, I just do like development stuff. More interested in creative coding. So Jeremy giving talk later. I learned a lot of stuff from him. So yeah.
Cool. And our boss Max.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm one of the co-founders here at Reflektor. This is Max. We started Reflektor about 3 years ago, and we've been growing little by little ever since. I was working at Gem 3 before that, and Global before Gem 3. So Global I used to do a lot of installation type of work, visualization. So yeah, like you did processing and open frameworks and different types of coding. We just kind of figure things as we go along. Then in Gem 3, I did a lot of web stuff, a lot of interactive sites, visualizations, WebGL. Got a lot of cool awards there, and then I ventured off on my own, started a company with my partner Maria, who's not here today. She's in Bulgaria. But hi Maria, she's watching live. So we're going to be streaming this on YouTube live. I'm waving to the camera.
We're YouTubing.
And yes, so Reflektor, we try our best to land clients that share a vision for creating beautiful interactive experiences, whether it's installations, apps, AR experiences, websites. This is some of the examples of what we need. This is our internal case study that we sent to clients. Jeremy in the back worked on most of it. It's like a cool. This is what we mean by creative coding, creating something interactive, something that you don't see normally on the web, or an installation or an app with cool graphics that interact with you. You've probably seen it in different apps, websites. We'll show you a lot more. I mean, you could scroll down and see some more. So this is another example of what we'll be kind of talking and showing you guys today. And in our future talks, we hope that keep these meetups going on. We'll try to do probably like every few months. We'll see. Maybe we'll do it once a month. So we'll try to do host them at different venues, different agencies, companies, and get a bigger crowd every time. But thank you all for coming today, and I hope they get to learn something, see some cool stuff, and we're always welcome. You're always welcome to give us some feedback afterwards. All right, let's get started. One thing I want to do is first just tweet out our live stream. All right, I just shared it to our Reflektor channel, so just tweet it out. So everybody knows and people at home can join along. All right, so today, what we want to talk to you about, mostly, what's on the agenda. Maybe we can talk about other things, so feel free to ask questions along the way. It's not a formal presentation or meeting. Just a few months ago, or maybe a month ago, we launched this site, 6 days of that. How many of you have seen this? All right, cool. So we got an FWA for this, which was a little surprising because we didn't expect it, but a lot of people liked it. So this website showcases all these interactive and animated letters of alphabet and numbers too. Can't forget the numbers. So have you heard of 36 Days of Tech? It's an Instagram challenge. happens every year in, I think, April and May. I guess somebody created this challenge, and then all these artists, every day they create, either design or illustrate, or in our case, develop a letter or a number. Well, you kind of go by alphabet, A, B, C, D, and then the numbers are last. So every day you kind of have to output a letter or a number in any style that you want. And then this Instagram account, 36 days of time, you can follow them and see all the cool letters that people create. So what we did was create this, make them with code. So we used all kinds of different coding techniques and frameworks, which we're gonna talk about. That's what I'll be talking about, is basically going through every letter that I made, at least personally. So we split up the tasks between all the different developers. Reflektor, so we kind of took turns. So I was responsible for A, then B was Jeremy, and then so on. We have all the other devs working on the letters. The idea is you have to kind of finish within one day. You have to make the letter, whatever you have to post it by the end of the day. I think we got through most of them, but on time. But I think maybe one or two were delayed, but that's okay. At least we finished all of them. So at the end of the challenge, we had them all on the Instagram account. You can follow us, Reflektor Digital, and see them all. But we want to create a website that showcases all the letters, and since they're all done in JavaScript and in code, and some of them are actually interactive, so you can play around with them. For example, this is one Jeremy did. So if you click on it, first of all, if you move your mouse around, it kind of moves. And then if you click on it, you see like a wireframe view or a color view. So this was the last one, 9. It's one of my favorites. It's really cool. And this was done with help of Three.js. You guys heard of that library? Okay, so yeah, we used a lot of different libraries, and I'll talk about all of the ones that we used. There's